This is Izzy, and she's gonna fetch her toy. Little blue ball. Here we go. Get your toy. Bring it back. Izzy, bring back your toy. Gotta bring it back to me. You dropped it halfway. Alright, let's try again. Alright, Izzy, go get it. Bring it back.
Tonight, the USA women, and there's a big fight, of course, for places in the second way to the World Cup, Julie, isn't there?
She brought it back. Alright. Ready? Go get it. Bring it back. Come on, you gotta go get it. Izzy, go get it. Go get your toy. Go get it. Go get it. Bring it back.
It's pretty tense for the players, because I was amazed to find out for the first time the USA women's team have ever played in England in 27 years of the women's program.
I know, it is amazing actually. And we've played them 10 times, 5 different countries, never in England before. So, I don't
Good girl. Good girl. Ready? One more time. One more time. Go get it.
English fans.
Bring it back.
Sometimes that fact is discovered
Bring back your toys.
in major tournaments, as you might have seen in
Bring back your toys.
the World Cup. So the two teams
Ah.
here, England against the USA. I think this is the question that he's not going to be playing.
You gotta bring it back. One more time.
No question. They are
Bring it back to me. Right here.
positioned. They're
Right here is.